family. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to Jay So Tasty. Hey y'all, hey! What's going on? How y'all doing? I am cutting out the top today, okay, of New Look 6518. I'm gonna cut the top out and I'm gonna cut the interfacing out. And I think I'm gonna be cutting out some shorts today as well. So yep, that's what I'm doing. You see that fan? That's a fan because it's warm up here. Um, yeah, and yeah, that's what's going on today. So hang in there with me as I cut. Um, if you want to watch this part, you can. If not, then hey, I don't know, but that's what your girl doing today. I'm not necessarily going to be sewing, but I am going to be getting things on batch cut. I have a skirt that I've already cut out, and I need to cut out shorts, and I need to put my mic on. Hold on, y'all. So let's put this mic on here. Hopefully y'all can hear me better. But yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I am cutting, and I could put my board under here and make things a little bit easier. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my cutting board. Stick it under here. That way I can use my rotary cutter. Hold on. I don't know why I didn't do this first. Let's see if we can do it. Don't let me go up under there without messing up my plan. Ooh. Uh-huh. Okay, y'all. We're going to slide, slide, slide. See if we can get that on the board because I don't want to cut up my table. My paper on here. Yeah, so yeah, we are cutting this out. I'm going to turn this off. We're cutting this out in 18. And as you saw in the last video, I had to make it a little bit longer for the back because I got boobies. So I got to make sure the boobies fit in there. And let me see which scissors. I'm going to cut with my Honey Heaven pink rotary. I'm just going to go down this line here, making it easy for me to cut. Let's see, I have to cut 40, so I got to put this back on here again. These are the straps, and they're skinny straps, so yeah. So I'm just going to take this. Either I don't press hard enough or these things I just got to put a different blade on here. Probably a different blade because I've cut with them for quite some time and haven't changed the blade yet. So I'm supposed to cut 4 of these. So I'm going to lay this on top and cut another row like that. Just going to go across. And I'm going to use my bias maker to make the straps, y'all. I don't know if y'all saw my little short on these, but that's what I'm going to do. Make it easier for me instead of doing the inside out stuff with the stick or whatever you use to do yours with. And I've seen it happen and I don't like it, so I ain't doing that. I'm going to use my bias. So my bias maker. And then let's cut her out. Let's bring her down some. I'll bring her to the edge. I need to cut 2 in fabric and 2 in liner. I mean, what you call that stuff? So here's my 2. So what I'll do is I'll just take this and put it on top of my fuse. I think it's what you call it. Yeah, because I need to cut 2 of fabric and 2 of lining. We're just gonna call it lining. So I don't think I need any lining for the straps. I don't. So as I do that, they cut this on the fold. So I'm gonna leave this on the fold right here, and I have to cut 1 on the fold. So 1 bodice on the fold, bodice front, and 1 lining on the fold. Okay, so go here, make it easy. I hope y'all had a good Sunday today. I just thought I'd bring y'all along for the cutting process. I'm trying to learn how to cut straighter. To find so that when I'm sewing, it's easier for me to follow because I don't be cutting straight, y'all. And then it causes a problem. Let's see. I have all these little scrap pieces. So I'm going to leave that there. Take my weights off here. There. And I need to cut this in lining. I probably won't show y'all me cutting the lining. Y'all don't need to see all that. Y'all don't care about that. Right? I'll probably speed this up and put it to music. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, you guys, so here's the top. I think it's really, really cute. I haven't put the straps on this top. Let me see if I can give y'all more level view. Okay, Winston, get out of the way, otherwise you wouldn't get stepped on. Okay, so yeah, I haven't put the straps on, but I like the way it came out. I think the gathers came out okay. I'm not good at this yet, so I'm still learning the process of gathering. If I was to bring it up so that, yeah, so I could bring it up like this. And y'all know the shorts wasn't shortened. They weren't big booty friendly. So I turned it into a skirt, and I'm about to add pockets to the skirt. Here is the skirt. So this is me putting all my little twists on everything. So here is the skirt. So we'll go up under there like that. Okay. It's going to be cute when I put it on, y'all. It's going to be cute. But here go the skirt. It's got a little split in it. I think I'm gonna close the split up because I'm gonna add the pockets.